What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?
What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA. Today is day 15 of Dopecember, guys, and I'm super excited because we are over the halfway mark. I still have 10 more uploads for you guys, so if you haven't already, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you guys can be notified every single time I post. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a knotless box braid bob that I did on my client, and it turned out super fire. You guys know I love to do bobs, and it definitely takes a certain client with a certain type of look to rock them. So I'm super excited to share this look with you guys. I'm going to go ahead and drop some music that you guys can listen to, and I will see you guys at the finished look.
I've been sleeping late, and if I'm speaking honestly, my dreams are the only place thought of you can't bother me. And when I'm wide awake, it takes all of my energy to tell our friends we never been this happy. Waiting for the glass house to calm down, waiting to hear that crashing sound, waiting for the right words to tell you how. I don't wanna be false, pretend we're picture perfect when we're breaking beneath the surface. I don't wanna be false, make love like we deserve it, to cover up what's hurting. Hey, I don't wanna be false,
I've been making shit up, but I'll come clean. I finish in the bathroom while you fall asleep without me. And our friends, they say they want this, but they don't see that it's inevitable. And inevitably, the glass house will come down, just waiting to hear that crashing sound, waiting for the right words to tell you how.
I don't wanna be false, pretend we're picture perfect when we're breaking beneath the surface. I don't wanna be false, make love like we deserve it, to cover up what's hurting. Hey, I don't wanna be false, pretend we're picture perfect when we're breaking beneath the surface.
Oh, I don't wanna be false, make love like we deserve it, to cover up what's hurting.
I don't wanna be false, I don't wanna be false,
Flowers start to bloom, just like me and you. And I feel a change. Letting the light shine in, my patience wearing thin, and it's all so brand new. And I can't find the words to say just how you take my breath.
guys, so this here is the finished look. I did go ahead and put brown rubber bands on her ends. I typically would do black, but I saw these at the beauty supply and thought that it would really complement the color that she had, so I'm super excited for the way that that turned out, and she actually liked it better. And the right side, I've also linked a couple of pictures that she took on her trip because y'all, she was literally slaying this bob. I wish I could share all the photos, but I just didn't have them. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed the way that this turned out. If you guys like it, make sure you guys let me know in the comment section down below, or by hitting the thumbs up button. That's how I know what styles you guys like to see, and I'll make sure that I do more of those for you guys. As always, all the products that I use will be linked in the description section for you guys, so make sure you guys check there before you guys go to the comment section, because I always share every product that I use with the link. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.
What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?